Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Viral Zap back with another video, and this time we're diving deep into the future of making money with AI. Imagine waking up every morning to new payments in your account, while AI does all the work for you. That's right, no more 9-to-5 grind, just pure passive income rolling in. Today, I'll show you 5 AI-powered ways to make passive income, so you can start earning on autopilot. We're talking AI generating your designs, writing your scripts, even composing music for you. This is next level stuff, guys. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll reveal a secret AI tool that does everything for you. And hey, if you're as hyped about AI as I am, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-making secrets. Alright, first up is AI-powered print-on-demand or POD. We're talking AI doing the heavy lifting. Think about it. No more spending hours brainstorming designs or struggling with Photoshop. With AI, you can create killer designs in seconds. Use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL to create unique t-shirt, hoodie, even poster designs. Upload these designs to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys your design, the platform handles everything, the printing, the shipping, everything. You just collect the cash. Tools you'll need: DALL for generating art, Canva AI for tweaking designs, and Printify to connect your designs to Etsy. With Pod, you can make $50 to $1,000 per month, even more as you scale up. Focus on niche designs like funny quotes about cats or trending memes. Find your niche, dominate it with AI, and watch the money roll in. Next up, we're diving into the world of AI-generated YouTube videos. Yes, you heard me right. You can use AI to create entire YouTube videos complete with scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. No need to ever show your face on camera if you don't want to. Tools: Pictory AI for generating videos, ElevenLabs for realistic AI voiceovers, and ChatGPT for viral video scripts. Earnings: with YouTube automation you can make anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month. Even more if your videos really pop off. My tip for YouTube domination: find viral niches. Think motivational videos, tech reviews, finance tips, anything trending. AI will help you create the content, and you get to sit back and watch the views and the cash roll in. Okay, let's talk about a more traditional way to make passive income: blogging. But hold on, we're not talking about spending hours hunched over your keyboard, stressing over every word. We're talking AI blog writing, baby. Let the robots do the writing while you rake in the dough. Start a blog in a niche you're passionate about, then use AI to write high-quality, informative, and engaging articles. Monetize your blog with ads, affiliate links, or even sell your own digital products. Tools: Jasper AI for writing articles and Surfer SEO for optimizing content. With consistent content and a bit of hustle, you can easily make $100 to $5,000 per month, even more as your blog grows. Choose a profitable niche and let AI do the writing. Alright, music lovers and voiceover artists, this one's for you. Did you know you can use AI to generate royalty-free music and voiceovers that people will actually pay for? AI can now create professional quality music and voiceovers in a matter of minutes. Sell these AI creations on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even stock music websites. Tools: Murph AI for voiceovers and Boomi AI for music. Earnings-wise, you can make a solid $200 to $2,000 per month selling your AI-generated audio masterpieces. My pro tip? Tap into that TikTok trend wave, create short, catchy background music tracks that are perfect for TikTok videos, and watch your sales skyrocket. Last but not least, let's talk about how you can use AI chatbots to automate your sales and customer service. Because who wants to answer emails all day, right? With AI chatbots, you can literally make money while you sleep. Create an AI chatbot that's trained to answer common customer questions, qualify leads, or even guide customers through your sales funnel. These bots can work 24/7, providing instant support and boosting your conversion rates, all without you lifting a finger. Tools: ChatFuel for building chatbots without code, and ManyChat for advanced features and integrations. By automating your sales and customer support with AI chatbots, you can free up your time to focus on growing your business, which translates to more money in your pocket, anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month or more. My tip: offer chatbot creation services on Fiverr. Businesses are always looking for ways to streamline their operations, and you can be the one to provide them with a cutting-edge solution. And that's how you can make passive income with AI while you sleep. From AI-designed t-shirts to AI-written blog posts, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. So why not hop on board and start building your own passive income empire? Which AI method are you going to try first? Are you going to unleash your inner artist with AI-powered pod, become a YouTube sensation with AI-generated videos, or maybe automate your sales with chatbots? Let me know in the comments down below. I read every single one. If you want more AI money-making videos like this one, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, check out this next video where I show you how to make $1,000 per month using AI. Until next time, peace out.